you don't lean in on the road. I'll just show you lean with the bike. Okay ha? Ayaw, exaggerate kay dili man ta kamote. So, I'll try this KTM.
Power. Okay. Pag nag-test ride mo, ayaw diretso dagan. Neutral sir. So turn the handlebar left and right to ensure na dili uak or guba ang ilahang neck bearing. Tapos abante kamay. Power niya. Check your brake. Check your brake. Kung ba nasa side. Okay then. That the road is safe for you to do so, but don't overdo it para wala tayo overshoot. There are 4 techniques on taking the curb. Number 1, slow down, gear down. Number 2, look where you're going. Number 3, lean with the bike. Kani, kung ganahan mo mag-turn sa left, all you have to do is to push the handlebar to the left. That would give you a counter steer. To the right, ayaw ana-ana. Dili man ta murag monkey ba? So, kana lang counterweight. Just all you have to do just to lean with the bike, lean with the bike. Wala ni drag, wala man tayo sa racetrack.
Yeah.
And number 4, once you're done with the apex turn, gently increase your bike, your power, because the bike will go up and go straight. Ayaw, wala pa ka nag-lean, nag-turn, nag-accelerate ka.
Like gana.
Mag-overshoot ka. And then, ayaw tanaw sa photographer. Kamong mga photographer, kinahanglan dito mo kung asa padung ang curve. Dili sa opposite side. Kung kani padung turn, dito mo parte para padung dito. Dili padung dito. Ay! Overshoot. Nahulog kayo sa bukid. Rules in turning. Slow down, gear down. No shifting or no hard braking on the process of the turn. No changing gear, ha? No sudden acceleration. Okay, kung naay road hazard, ayaw kunit og brake daan. Straighten the handlebar. Slowly take the brake and look for your escape. Especially kung naay padung ang sakyanan. Kung from right to left, ayaw lean too much, especially if it's a blind curve. Kay ang mga trailer, mga truck, usay, gikaon ang linya. So you have to be careful. Better yet, slow down. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I guess our time is good. Everyone enjoyed? Motor, motor, motor. Stop. Up. Okay. Thank you. Everyone safe. Wala tayong natumba. Any question? Day, pangalan nimo? Kung sige ka turn tapos na sa tiil ang nasa baba ang paa, kung ma-drop ka, may slide ka, maipit ang imo tiil. So better yet, mas safe sa taas. Okay? Tapos ensure yourself that you have an engine guard. Okay, I guess we'll do the closing program. Sir Joe, can we say something? Closing na, gito ka. Pa-picture tayo, tara. Pambira. I like your speech. Uy, naka-record ya ita, uy. Kanino pa to naka-record? Ay, sorry, sa'yo pala to. Tinakas ko yung motor mo. Sorry. Okay ka na dito?
Ilan dyan?
Sir, ang pangalan mo?
Dave po.
Dave. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Sir Terry.